getting Sam Sparrow's back in business. I'm a true salty dog.
Huh, why is that on? Oh no! Sammy, I'm so sorry. I didn't know you were in there.
How on earth those ships sail in the darkness?
The lighthouses, Sammy. Ah, that could be a cool idea for a craft. Come on. Hi guys, Sam and I just had a brilliant idea to build a lighthouse from mini bricks.
Ahoy! No more shipwrecks and cold waters will there be!
We have this cardboard base with a special layout. That's where we're gonna set our lighthouse. Up first, these triangle pieces. One here and another one right here.
I am ready for brickwork, Sue.
Hold your horses, Sammy. We'll be finishing the outside first. Aha! Our construction is almost done.
Sue, I thought it had to be solid, like the Lighthouse of Alexandria that's been there since the 3rd century BCE.
Don't worry, Sammy. We'll be strengthening this with bricks very soon. Let me just finish with this. The tower's ready. We'll put it aside for now, because we have to think through the lights first. Be very careful with the wires, guys. This place is for the battery. And the switch button goes right here. The rest goes through the tower. We'll put the LED through the opening and secure it with a lid. All we have to do now is attach the tower to the base. Oh, come on, you. Hey, Sammy, check out how tall it is.
It's not that tall. Jeddah Light in Saudi Arabia is more than 430 feet tall and is in fact the world's tallest lighthouse.
Well, thanks for the information and high evaluation, Sammy. I think our model is still cool. The roof goes on top. Let's check that the lights work properly. Ah, perfect. Switch it off for now.
So, when will it be time for the bricks?
Sammy, it's just the time. Let's do it.
Here you go, Sue.
Oh, thank you.
Give me a sec to mix the cement.
No, we don't need it, Sammy. Glue will be just fine.
All right. We used the same technology when we were building the Spanish Villa. Did you see that video, guys? Thumbs up if you did.
We are going to use tweezers to make the process more comfortable and accurate. Now we'll put some glue and gently attach the brick to the wall. Here, and the first step's done. Let's do the same with all the other bricks. The glue, and the second one goes. We are going to use these slightly rounded ones to lay out the corners of the lighthouse. Okay. As you might have noticed, the bottom part of the lighthouse will be gray.
Let's add some color, Sue.
Will do, Sammy, just a little bit later.
Oh.
And the foundation is done.
Sue, did you know that the Statue of Liberty acted as a lighthouse for 16 years?
Thanks for the info, Sam. Now could you bring me more bricks?
In no time. I give you my heart, Susan.
Oh, so sweet of you. So is this color good enough for you?
Yeah, looks like creme brulee.
And he's talking about food again. But let's get back to work. Here we'll have a tiny porch to the first floor. Perfect. Oh, I've done so much already. I think I need a break.
No, Sue, no breaks. Think about those ships that need their path to be lit.
All right, Sammy. All I can do for the sailor's safety.
You look tired, though. Let me help you a bit. Well, brick to brick and done. What do you say?
Wow, great job, Sam. Maybe you could help me a bit more?
Okay, all for you, my friend. And for the sailors. Phew! It's really exhausting, Sue. Now I understand why you're so tired.
Let me help you now. Go have some tea with sweets.
It looks like even the best of us need some rest and sweets.
We'll use these special pieces to mark the windows. Okay, I really need some magic here. Where's my wand? Whoosh! And whoosh! Looking good, right?
You are a magician, Sue! But can I show you the real marine magic? I just need some time to get ready.
In the meantime, I'll start working on the tower. We're gonna need rounded bricks once again.
I was thinking, who's normally watching after the lighthouses, Sue?
Good question, Sammy. Most lighthouses today are robotized, but there are still some that need the attention of a keeper. This person combines the duties of a mechanic, electrician, and guard.
Huh, then let's assume that we have a robotized lighthouse. Nobody fits in anyway. Finally, I found my ideal ship. Looks perfect. Uh-oh, I almost forgot about Sue. Thumbs up to support her, guys. Sorry, Sue, I got carried away.
No problem, where have you been?
I was trying to rebuild my ship. It's going to be cooler and stronger than the previous one. Something's missing here. The sails! Each ship should have its perfect sails. Interesting. These are nice sails. Can I have them, Sue?
It's just a toy, Sammy. These aren't good enough.
Oh, well.
Okay, the major part of the lighthouse is ready. Now go to the upper flat surfaces like this one. We have a layout here so it won't be hard. Just glue the bricks like this. One needs some patience for this craft.
Guys, here's the most important part. The light that saves the seamen and ships is situated right there. And the light of the lighthouse can be seen from 30 miles away.
Well, our lighthouse won't be that far, but it'll be enough for your ship, Sammy. By the way, have you already finished building it?
Built and direct, Sue. Turns out I'm not a good shipbuilder.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Sam, but I know for sure that you're an awesome tiler. Here, help me with the roof.
Consider it done.
And this is a tiny roof to cover our beacon. It just needs a finishing touch. 4 bricks and it'll stand still. Hop. Let's put it on top.
It wasn't easy, Sue, but I did it.
Oh, it looks perfect. I guess I've missed a spot.
I thought our lighthouse would look a little bit more interesting.
Of course, Sammy, we're not done yet. Let's decorate it with these beautiful bricks. We'll glue them around the perimeter.
Now you're talking, Sue. It's like a magical makeover.
Still not done, Sammy, but thank you. We'll now make the landscape. The first step is the glue layer. Let's carefully spread it around the lighthouse. Done! Now goes the second step, which is the sand. We'll generously sprinkle it like this, trying not to leave any white spots. A bit of glue and a bit of sand.
What about some flora, Sue? Something fresh and green?
Ooh, I've got an idea. We'll add these wonderful bushes. The biggest one will be here, and the smaller one right here.
Sue, I'm ready to show you the marine magic as promised.
Go on, Sammy.
You see the sea! Ha ha!
What do you say, guys? Isn't this lighthouse just amazing? Give a thumbs up if you agree and hit the subscribe button. Now you have a personal lighthouse, Sammy. Are you happy?
More than happy, Sue. From now on, my marine adventures will be safe and sound.
Guys, if you don't want to miss those adventures, ring the notification bell. Thank you for being with us today. See you soon. Bye-bye.
See ya, my friends. Sue, wait up! I still need to build that ship.